What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. In today's video, we are doing the Speedway 5 installation and review. This is actually my second e-bike. The first one was a Juice. Yes, the Juice Scrambler. It was trash. The first day of work, it got a flat. So, in conclusion, don't get the Juice bike. It's trash. Alright, I'll stop playing. Let's just jump into this unboxing and installation. Alright, as you see, I'm cutting up the box, opening the box. Voila, yes, the user manual. Make sure you guys read the user manual. It's very important before you actually go about trying to install the Speedway 5. So really guys, this thing is heavy. I ain't gonna lie, this thing is heavy. In the user manual, I think it said it was like 75 pounds or something. 80 pounds, I think it was like 80 pounds. So it also comes with a tool wrench to allow you to screw different things inside the Speedway 5. It's a hexagonal tool wrench. It has many different sizes, many different angles. You're not actually going to use all of them, but you'll definitely use a few of them. So I don't know why it came with so many. And also inside you have a battery pack. This battery pack is your standard battery pack for the Speedway 5. It takes about, I believe it takes about 7 hours to charge the Speedway 5. Or is it 5 hours? I'm trying to remember because I don't use that battery pack. I'm just gonna be real. After I remove the plastic, there's actually a specific way that you open up the Speedway 5. There's a hinge situation that you need to pull out and pull up at the same time to allow it to stand and to retract. And also this is me pulling up the arms and allowing the neck of the Speedway 5 to be extended to its fully maximum position for those who are taller. I'm pretty average, so. Also, I did not receive the base of the Speedway 5. This is more of the premium, so I added a seat. It's a retractable seat, and also I added onto the package a charger. This charger charges about, it takes about 2.5 hours to 3 hours to charge. And it's really nice, so I would definitely recommend it if you are getting the Speedway 5. So this is the base of the seat connection or seat kit that I received. This is the neck of the seat, and then the seat goes on top of the neck. These are the screws that you use to bolt down into the Speedway so the base can stay onto the scooter. In the rear of the scooter, you're going to be taking out these 2 black bolts. Then you'll use this hexagonal tool to remove this piece that I'm showing you right here, so you can have access to screw down the base to the Speedway 5. So this is me taking off the base, or that extra piece off the base, and these are the screws that you use to screw into the Speedway 5. It's very specific the way that you screw it in. So the hexagonal screw goes in the front, and then the regular bolt goes into the back, and it's pretty simple. So yeah, so this is me struggle busting trying to get this on. I was like, oh, I need to use a Phillips screw, so I don't know what I use that for. I'm not even gonna lie, but yeah, add that in there if you need to. If you don't, then you know, just go with the flow. Alright, so you add on the neck and now the seat. So you see that it retracts up and down, and you need to make sure that you use a wrench. I wish I would have had 2 wrenches at this point. 2 wrenches, is that how you say it? 2 wrenches at this point, so you can make sure you tighten down one side and the other. Alright, now so we're going to use the hexagonal tool to tighten down the light to the scooter. I don't know why it's taking this long. I should have sped up the footage. What am I doing? Alright, so that is the complete installation of the Speedway 5. Right now, I'm just going over the manual to look at the speedometer, I guess you can call it. Yeah, it is a speedometer. It gives you the speed, your range. It has 3 different modes: 5 to 10 miles per hour, 10 to 20 miles per hour, and then your full length 25 to infinity. No, I'm just playing. It's not infinity, but it gets up there. I'm not gonna lie, it is fast. So Here's some final shots of the Speedway 5. The base is connected to the scooter, solid, sturdy, it ain't going nowhere. So these screws are super important that you install them the proper way. It won't work any other way. And then this is the seat. Like I said, it goes up and down. It's really nice. Those for short people, those for tall people. This is the front of the light. I would definitely switch that out for a brighter light. These are the front of the brakes. You have front and back disc brakes. At the top of your scooter, you have throttle, you have a speedometer, and also a finger scanner to allow you to unlock the scooter and use it to its full potential. Since it needs a fingerprint, you will be the only one able to use the scooter, so it also helps prevent theft. Also on the left side, we have single and dual mode, eco and turbo, front lights, and also a horn. Here's a clip of the first ride with the scooter Speedway 5. Like what you see, make sure you comment in the comment section, like and subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.